This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Ashley Link. Come see this adorable brick ranch situated on quiet corner lot in Riverview. The living room and bedrooms have beautiful hardwood floors. The spacious eat-in kitchen flows into large utility/mud room, west laundry and storage/pantry space. Shared hall bathroom updated in 2018. Primary has deep closet and ensuite half bath. Raised storage shed, west garage door built in 2018-2019. 2-ton HVAC 2017, 30 years asphalt shingle roof 2018. 40 gallons water heater replaced June 2022. Located convenient to naval bases, highways and shopping. FEMA Flood Insurance quote attached from approximately $880 per year. Smart doorbell and security cameras owned by tenant and do not convey. For more information, review the details below.